In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Grafana is running on your Windows system. Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to quickly confirm whether Grafana is active on your machine using the built-in Services tool in Windows. This is useful if your dashboard isn't loading in the browser or you just want peace of mind that the service is up and running. We'll start from the desktop. Hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and press R. This opens the Run dialog, a handy shortcut for launching system tools. In the box that appears, type Services, MSC and press Enter. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, go ahead and allow it. In a moment, the Services window will open. This is where Windows lists all background services installed on your system. Once the window is open, you'll see a long list of services with columns like Name, Description, Status, and Startup Type. We're interested in the Name and Status columns. To make it easier to find what you need, click the Name column header to sort alphabetically. You can also tap the letter G on your keyboard to jump closer to the entries that start with G. Now, look for an entry called Grafana. When you find Grafana, check the Status column on the right. If it says Running, that means the Grafana service is active and your Grafana instance should be available in your browser as usual. At this point, you're good to go. You can leave the Services window open if you like, or close it and continue your work. If the status column is blank or shows that it isn't running, you can start it right here. Right-click on Grafana, then choose Start from the menu. Windows will try to start the service, and this may take a few seconds. Keep an eye on the status column, and once it updates to running, Grafana is active. If you don't see it update immediately, give it another moment and then check again. A quick tip. If the list is crowded, you can widen the columns by dragging the header dividers to make the names and statuses easier to read. And if you return to this window in the future, sorting by name and using the keyboard shortcut to jump to G can save you time. And that's how you check if Grafana is running. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.